Hi, it's David from SuperPro. Here today to talk to you about greasable shackles. So greasable shackle kits we've been making obviously for a number of years. We've got them for your Ranger, your Hilux, all the popular four-wheel drives. We have them in our range. The great thing about our greasable shackle kits is they're completely collapsible. You can disassemble them. They come off both sides. Unlike the OE shackle, that only one side comes off. If you've got a long-range tank, this sucker's going to run into the long range tank, right? Ours doesn't. You can completely disassemble the shackle, put it back in without needing to remove the tank. One of the other great little features of our greasable shackle kits is this little nut here. Goes over the end of the grease nipple. As we all know, you go off-road, there's a good chance that you're going to come down on something. You knock that grease nipple off, your greasable shackle's not greasable anymore. So it defeats the purpose of the whole thing. So one of the things our engineers did over the years is they developed this nut to go over the end to protect that grease nipple. So when we developed our greasable shackles, the engineers went to a lot of time, a lot of effort to make sure they actually did what they're supposed to do, which is be greasable. They told me the story when I first started, and I think it's a great story, so I'll relay it here today. When they actually did the bushes, they did the bushes in clear. So they could pump the grease into it and actually see the grease go through the bushing, come up through it and go the whole way over the bush. So we can say conclusively that our greasable shackles, the grease travels the whole way through the bush, lubricates the whole thing, will push all the dirt and contaminants out and extend the life of the shackle. If you go off-road and you see some dirt, you need a greasable shackle. If you go on the beach, you put a boat in the water, you need a greasable shackle. You raise your car, you need a greasable shackle. Great investment. Anyone who does any serious four-wheel driving or goes off-road occasionally, get yourself a greasable shackle kit.